Welcome to Flippin' Rejects with me, Shane Lucy. This week, I got this little light cover. I think it should hang like this. And I'm actually gonna make something cool with it. So, y'all go ahead and hit that like button and go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and that way you won't miss any other videos I make. Let's check this one out. Start off this project, I had to come up to my local Lowe's a few minutes away from the house. They don't sponsor me, but like that dude said in that movie, it'd be a whole lot cooler if they did. Let's see what we can pick out. So make my way all the way over to the industrial piping section. I started looking at the prices. Had to do a lot of math and realized that this project was going to go way over budget. So instead of using industrial pipe, I started over in my mind and went with PVC. It was 1/3 of the cost. Now to just cut it up into the sizes that I needed. And with everything cut to the sizes I needed, I could start priming, laying it out, and start gluing up all these pieces together. While I'm gluing this all together, now would be a great time to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And with everything glued up, I could work on the scope. Finish that up, and this thing is pretty much done. Or so I thought. I needed something to hold that light fixture cover onto the end. So I'm using this cap with some screws. This will hold the light fixture cover to the inside on the end of this barrel. Now it's painting time. Almost finished. I realized I didn't want to do a lamp cord switch, and I wanted to put a switch right there, kind of in the trigger place. And now I have to really almost cut this thing apart and start over. Yay. Now all that's left is to run some wire, hook up a light fixture, and this thing is pretty much done. For real this time. Here I'm just using a 2-part epoxy to hold this light fixture in. Keeps it in there nice and tight. And I wanted to use some plexiglass lenses for the scope, so here I'm just on the laser cutter cutting them out. Glue them in. They turned out really well. Now all that's left is wiring up the switch, putting a bulb in, putting the fixture cover on, and we're ready to go. Let me know what you think of the video. leave some comments, and hit that like button. See y'all on the next one. Closer. Oh, hey, just sighting in this lamp you guys just watching me build. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button. If you really like it, hit that bell and you'll get a notification every time I take another item and flip it into something awesome. So, when I get back to it, y'all go out and have a great day. Try and make something awesome.
How's it shoot?
Actually shoots pretty straight. It's got a MOA of about 3.016 at 300 yards. I think it's coming together.
Alright. You aiming for that pumpkin?
No, actually, my target is some goofy kid walking on the beach about 600 clicks that way. It's a pretty far shot, but I got to take the Coriolis effect into account and curvature of the earth and spin drift and all, but I think I got him.